The Bosch washing machine E3010 error code typically indicates a problem related to the door lock mechanism or the door itself, often showing that the washing machine has trouble locking the door properly. This error may occur if the door is not aligned well or closed. Common causes of this error code include door alignment problems, where the washing machine door is not aligned well or closed, preventing the door lock mechanism from functioning correctly. Another common cause is door lock issues, such as a malfunctioning door lock mechanism, a faulty door lock assembly, a defective latch, or a sensor issue. If the door lock fails to engage properly or if the sensor doesn't detect that the door is securely closed, the error code may appear. To fix the error, start by checking the door alignment. Ensure the washing machine is turned off. Then carefully examine the door for any visible signs of misalignment or damage. Inspect the hinges and latches to ensure they are not damaged or obstructed, and adjust the hinges to ensure proper alignment of the door. The door seal should be clean and free from any debris that could prevent the door from closing properly. Next, inspect the door lock mechanism. With the washing machine turned off, locate the lock mechanism on the door frame and check for any obstructions that may prevent the latch from engaging well. Remove any objects that may be blocking the mechanism. Then close the washing machine door to ensure it closes securely, latching shut without any resistance or gaps. The door should be aligned well with the frame. If necessary, test the continuity of the door switch using a multimeter, and replace it if it's faulty. By following these steps, the E3010 error code can be resolved, and the washing machine should function properly again.